Just gently tap. Just remove the bulk. So I like setting my guideline with my Saber trimmer by a Gamma and Style Craft. This is a C-cup area right here. Kind of just aim for the middle, and we're gonna take about a quarter from the middle. So I guess you can say like a quarter of his C-cup area. And we're gonna drop the guideline. Give it about like 2 fingers. Next, we're gonna attach our 1 guard and open up the lever. This makes the 1.5. And I'm gonna start the guideline from over here. It just makes it just easier because we're attacking the back side of the Fohawk. So with my right corner, we're gonna go 2 fingers and create a 2-finger guideline from here. So just starting it from back here. You guys are going against the grain. So starting from the back side again, we're gonna go a finger. So just to keep everything organized and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and just line up his C-cup area real quick. Close your eyes for me, bro. Starting right here at the top. Small indentation. You guys want to keep everything really nice and as natural as possible. Using my right corner, I dig in about 25% in, then I work from the back side now to connect in the middle. All right, with our Uno shaver, we're gonna shave about 90% of this area and flick out. All right, so now we got 2 guidelines. We got the first guideline is the one with the half, the one on top is the 1.5. We shaved everything below, and now our work is real nice and clean, so then we can start erasing this first line. I'm gonna just barely baby tap this line right here since we did flick out 90% of the area with our shaver. The rest of it, we're just gonna polish it with our trimmer and just barely, just gently tap that line. This is gonna make it easier on our clipper to blend out that line. With our Rebel clipper, we're gonna close it 1 level and we're gonna hit almost the whole guideline, and we're gonna work our way down as we close the lever. So put it in this position. We're gonna work from here to here first. Make sure the blade is dead ass on the skin and it's not tilted. And as you work your way to the left side, you wanna tilt the blade. Put it midway. Now we wanna hit midway point of the guideline. Close it. This is almost all the way closed, and we're just barely gonna gently tap the beginning of the line. Then close it all the way and gently just barely tap the beginning of the line. You want to move to the back side. So let's repeat the process now. 75. One more level down, just barely gently tap the beginning. And close it all the way and hit the beginning. So this is the 1 guard lever open. This is going to be a 2-step process. First, we want to go with the same method that we've been doing, open to closed, but that's only going to soften the line. On the next step, we're gonna finish the blend of the second line using our 0.5 guard. Midway point, just hit the midway point. %. This is almost all the way closed. Not all the way closed, just barely, just gently tapping the beginning of the line. Then close it all the way and hit the beginning of the line. So now that it's closed, just for speed, I'm gonna just work my way back up again. And I just do that just once, open to close and close to open. Then I move to the other side. So we haven't ran through the half guard, and you guys can see there's still a line right here. But a good indication, if you guys actually doing every step the right way, this line shouldn't be as visible and it shouldn't be as dark. So it's just gonna be a lot easier for us to blend it out. We're gonna open up the lever and just do the same thing, open to close. All right, so now 2 guidelines have been blended. The next thing, we're just gonna scoop out using our 2 guard lever open. By scooping out, you guys just wanna graze the hair and scoop out as you go towards that 1 finger guideline. It's just gonna make it easier for you guys to blend out all of this darkness right here. So starting from back here, we're about to go a finger, just gently scoop out. Now this line right here, erase it doing the open to close with the 1.5 guard. So we've literally done the same thing from guideline to guideline. So three guard lever open.